The Bateshwar Hindu temples are a group of nearly 200 sandstone Hindu temples and their ruins in North Madhya Pradesh in post-Gupta, early Gurjara Pratihara style of North Indian temple architecture. The temples are mostly small and spread over about 25 acres site. They are dedicated to Shiva, Vishnu and Shakti, representing the three major traditions within Hinduism. The site is within the Chambal River Valley ravines on the northwestern slope of a hill near Padavali, known for its major medieval era Vishnu temple. The Bateshwar temples were built between the 8th and the 10th century. The site is likely named after the Bhuteshwar temple, the largest Shiva temple at the site. It is also referred to as Bateshwar temple site. According to Madhya Pradesh Directorate of Archaeology, this group of 200 temples were built during the reign of Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. According to Michael Meister, an art historian and a professor specializing in Indian temple architecture, the earliest temples in the Bateshwar group near Gwalior are likely from the 750 to 800 CE period. According to Michael Meister, the Bateshwar site illustrates the conception and construction of Mandapika shrine concept in central India. It is reducing the Hindu temple idea to its basics in a simple concept that is one step further from the single cave cell design. This design has roots in more ancient Hindu temples found in this region, such as one that survives at Mahua and has a Sanskrit inscription that calls the design as Sila Mandapika, literally a stone pandal or pavilion. This has Vedi platform roots that combines the traditional square plan with various combinations of Hindu temple architectural elements. The temples explore a square sanctum mounted on a basement platform that is rectangular, states Meister, so as to incorporate a small porch. These temples have a simple pillared wall topped by a broad, flat-edged awning which extends beyond the sanctum to shade the entry as well. The square pillars rest directly on the Vedi Bandha and are crowned by leaf capitals, their shafts engraved with decorative medallions. At its best, this type has a very individual and decorative quality, still like a wooden or ivory box. Intervening bands of meandering foliage especially vital. The whole framed by the flat, deeply shadowed Vedibandha moldings and the crisp chadia above, according to Meister. The significance of these temples is that they fuse and experiment with a variety of temple building ideas, such as topping the Nagara Shikaras that may have been dominant by that time, possibly in western India, on the simplest of temple grid plans with more ancient roots in central India. Most temples are dedicated to Lord Shiva while some are dedicated for Lord Vishnu. As of now, 100 temples are unearthed and there are 100 more to go. Bateshwar temples are more than 1000 years old. Now the Bateshwar temple complex is completely empty and it only belongs to ASI. It has been restored and it is one of the beautiful complex of temples in Madhya Pradesh.